So I want to do f of negative 2 minus g of 5. Here's your f. Here's your g. So to start with f of negative 2, I first have to find f, and I'm going to put negative 2 wherever there's an x. So here's f right here. So what I'm going to do is every time I see an x, I'm going to put a negative 2. So here's how it's going to look like. I'm going to put parentheses just to kind of start it off. And then I'm going to go, okay, something cubed minus 5 times something minus 1. Okay, so this right here is f right here. And the reason I left my x's blank is I'm going to stick negative 2 wherever there was an x in these blank spots. So in those blank spots, I'm going to put negative 2. So that right there is f of negative 2, right there. The reason for the parentheses is just to keep it organized. Minus g of 5. So minus something else. Now I'm going to minus g of 5. So g is right here, and I'm going to put 5 in for x. Okay, so g is something plus 3. That's g, something plus 3, something plus 3. And I'm putting 5 into that spot, which is right there. So 5 goes right there. Okay, our next step is to simplify this green parenthesis and simplify this, and find the values and then subtract them. To do this one, we need to do order of operations. Order of operations is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now these two go together, left to right. Okay, so the first thing we do is look for do what's in the parentheses. So that's what we're doing. We're doing what's in the parentheses. Then we do exponents. Then we multiply, divide. Then we add, subtract. So inside of this one, we're going to start with exponents. So this right here would become negative 8. Okay, because that's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Right here, we get negative 5 times negative 10. Because there's no more exponents, we're done. Now we're going to multiply, divide. So that right there would be a positive 10. And I'm going to bring down the 1. Now I'm going to do the right side. For the right side here, that's fairly simple. There's only a simple addition to go on. So not much to do over here. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Next step, we have to keep simplifying this. There's no more multiply, divide, so now we're adding, subtracting left to right. So we start with these first. So that right there, we do first. So negative 8 plus 10 is 2. Bring down the minus 1. This is still just 8. And last step, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 minus the 8 and your answer. You can see it. 1 minus 8, you hopefully can tell, is negative 7. That right there is the answer of f of negative 2 minus g of 5 using this f and this g.